everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanskriti, and in today's video I'm going to do an empties products video. The things that I got emptied, the things that I have used in couple of months from now, and I want to share with you guys my experience using this. And earlier I used to do this kind of video, but somehow it doesn't feel me adequate to do it anymore. But I think I would going to run this content in my channel. So I have collected couple of product that I used completely, and I will give you a complete review of that, and maybe it can help you to get this product or not. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, I used this Coco Soul. This is their hair and scalp cleanser. So I got it in a collaboration with Coco Soul. So I used this hair cleanser, basically shampoo. What I like about this product is the fragrance of this product is phenomenal, because it has coconut extract in it and 100% organic coconut oil. It is a 200 ml of bottle, and the price and everything will be in my screen and description box, so don't forget to look that out. So it is a 100% vegan shampoo, so it has not that chemical mixture, so you do not get that extra foaminess while you are shampooing your hair. But it works pretty good, because I got it in a collaboration. I used it completely, and I really not want to buy it, because something, because I don't feel like that I should buy this, because it costs 799 bucks for 200 ml of bottle. Although this is a great choice if you are looking for to try this one. So yeah, if you want to try any Coco Shoal product and you are in a trouble what should to get, so you can go for this. Moving on guys, I have this Osaka Japan acne face wash. This is from the brand Rohoto. I got it in a subscription box long back ago, and I have been using this for a very long time now. And what I like about this product is it contains that coolness, that icy feeling when you wash your face, and that actually refresh your mind, refresh your face, whether you are in tired or you just wake up. And I don't know about any acne thing that it helps to remove, but it actually work really good in my skin. And I think it is an 50 gram of product, and I don't know if it is available or not, because I'm looking forward for this face wash. But I have couple of other face washes that I want to try. So yes, if you have any acne problem or oily skin, and if you want that menthol type of feeling in your face wash, you can go for it. If I got any link of this product, I will going to link it in my description box, so you gonna look at for it and go through the link and buy it. And if I recommend, in my point of view, I will recommend it, because in a cheap price it is a very. Moving on guys, I have this two miniature product from Laneige or Laneige, in whatever way you can pronounce it. So I have this Laneige, this is their water bank gel cream, and then I have the Laneige Hydro Essence water bank hydro essence. So guys, I got this shampoo when I bought something from Laneige, and I used it. I used in 2020 the whole lockdown, because I was in my home. And this is a very really good product, because these are K beauty products, Korean beauty products. These are really very nice. And I really love this Hydro Essence basically because it has this very smooth thin texture to it, and it actually absorbs into your skin very quickly, and it works like a serum and hydrates your skin, moisturize it, plus it do not feel sticky. Same with this one. So I really like this, but these are really very expensive if you get the full tub or the full one. So I really don't want to recommend to anybody. If you can afford it, you can go for it. It is a very really nice product. But yeah, because I emptied it, I thought that I would share my experience using this. Moving on guys, I have two products that I got emptied from Wow Science. So I have this Wow Science. This is the 10 in 1 miracle hair oil, and the one is wow, this is the Wow Science. This is their hair spray. So I really like this hair oil though, because it has a lot of good ingredient in it, like bringgrass and amla and all of that, and it really works in my hair quite well. So if you want to try it, you can go for it. I will highly recommend. If you really want to try this hair oil, you can go for it. It really actually works and help you prevent from hair fall and luster in your hair. So you can go for it. I will highly recommend it, and for some reason I will going to buy it because it works really good in my hair. And the next thing about this hair spray, I don't know about Wow Science, what are they doing with some of their ranges, because they claim something but they do not work like that. Same with this one. This is a kind of hairspray. I don't know what kind of hairspray is this. It supposed to says that it is a multi repairing nutrition water hairspray that will restore hydration, reduce hair breakage, condition scalp and hair. But the thing, it works like very sticky, because when you use to spray it in your hair, it just stick to your hair, make your hair really sticky, and it actually do not feel really good while using this. So I do not actually empty this product. It has something, some amount is still there, but I really want to throw it out because it doesn't work the way you want a product. Planning to buy this product, please don't buy it. This is a really disaster one, and I highly request Wow Science, you can actually improve the product ingredient and go for it, because it doesn't work and make hilarious to your hair. Moving on to the second hair oil I got finished is the Amla Mulethi hair oil from Alps Goodness. Amla Mulethi hair oil from Alps Goodness. And what I like about this thing is it deep conditioned your hair, and it exactly smells like natural ingredients plus affordable. And if you are looking forward to buy any Alps Goodness product, basically this hair oil, you can go for it. It is little a messy thing because they contain the raw ingredient inside the bottle, so that it can infused in the hair oil and give all the benefits. That's a really very good idea behind it, but it is a little messy thing because of the packaging. If they can improve the packaging, but overall this is a really nice affordable hair oil, so you can buy it because it is affordable and effective. Moving on, I have this Good Vibes vitamin E hydrating body lotion, and it is a really good affordable and can be used body lotion. If you really want to try out any body lotion from Good Vibes, you can go for it. And I do not specially or completely going to recommend it, because it is up to you that if you want to buy it or not. But from the Good Vibes body lotion range, I really like this one because it has a good fragrance, plus it has very thin consistency that quickly absorbs into your skin. Moving on to the next thing that I got finished is this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. I really love the Garnier Makeup Remover Waters or Micellar Water, whatever you want to say, you can say it. I really love it because they help in get remove of any kind of makeup. So and plus it is affordable to buy and effective, quality wise, quantity wise, it is really nice. So everybody, I think, using this for a really long time. So yeah, if you have not gone through this product from Garnier and want to try it, go for it. It is nice with a very affordable range. So yeah, I'm recommend it to you guys, so buy it, go for it. I have finished a makeup product this time. So this is the Makeup Revolution, their Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm in the set C12. I really love this concealer because it helps in get rid of a little darkness or spot in my skin for the natural makeup, because daily daily purpose I rarely do any kind of makeup, and for this reason, for these under eye areas or in the corner of my noses, it really helps me to just invisible that little things that actually noticeable. So yeah, this is what it is. Our the sponge that comes with this spoolie or applicator, just gone through this inside the bottle, because I really don't care right now because this is almost finished. But this is a good buy, and if you really want to try any Makeup Revolution product from their face range, especially the concealers, please go for it. And if you are on my skin tone, fair to witty skin tone, you can go for this C12 to just conceal your dark areas or little spot and here and there. It really works underneath your makeup or underneath your face base or foundation. I will highly recommend it because if you want to buy it. Another Alps Goodness product that I recently loving is their Alps Goodness. This is their face mist or toner. So I have this Tulsi toner and I am using their lavender one. They are really very nice, and for a quick refreshment, it works really good, and they are not very harshly fragrance or scented one. And for an affordable range, especially for the teenage girls, if you really want to try any toner, please do not go for anything. You can go for this affordable Alps Goodness one. It has really good qualities, and for a good range, they are really giving good product. I really love this one. I have the lavender one that I'm currently loving, and I'm really looking forward to buy it again actually. So yeah, you can go for it if you are thinking of buy any Alps Goodness face mist or toner. So yeah guys, these are some things that I get rid of, and I completely used them or emptied them, and I have given you my recommendations and my recommendations to you guys, so you can check this out and go for it. I really love to share these kind of videos to you because it gives me a little experience that I'm sharing things to people and recommending things to buy or not. This is a very honest video that I'm shooting or filming with you guys, because I'm not lying. These are the things that I really used, and I am giving you my completely honest recommendations or honest, truly believed thing. I what I feel for this product. And yes, I hope you like this video, and if you, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon on a next video. Till then, stay safe, be at your home, and this is Sanskruti signing up. Mwah. Bye.